Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Numaisara binti Harun and together with my teammate Muhammad Azim Shah and Nur Azira. Today we will review our corporate video. The video is titled Ikram Raya #Lepas2 produced by Tenaga Nasional Berhad in 2016. In our review today, we will be focused on who the target audience of the video is, the video message, what value can be found in the video and the effective of the video. First and all, let me give a summary of Lepas2 video. This video tells the story of Dane apologize to his father at the Eid celebration. Dane admit his fault by mentioning one by one the mistake he made. And at the end of this video, his father forgive and hug him.
The next thing I would like to talk about is about Lepas2 video is its target market. Tenaga Nasional Berhad target market consists of Malaysian Muslim community, but their video campaign allow them to identify new audience. Lepas2 video all contain one cohesive message, which was to give the true meaning of Hari Raya and celebrate Hari Raya each year after a month of fasting. This video appears how Muslim tradition do simple gathering among family members where they sought each other forgiveness. This strategy interests people who were celebrating Hari Raya. Thirdly, Lepas2 message is about no matter how big a mistake we made, a good parent is always ready to forgive their children. The message is very clear in showing our society that even if the problem is small or large, we as responsible people must have the courage to admit and be willingly to accept any action from the person we made a mistake, whether forgiven or otherwise.
We value of the company that you find in the video. First, we found out there's forgiveness. Second, we found out there's a responsible. And third, we found out there's a strengthened relationship. How are these values presented? Way the value is presented, first we have forgiveness. Their children seek forgiveness during the morning first day of Hari Raya with their father. The narrator wanted to show that forgiveness is a culture molded by Hari Raya. This is the only time people can ask for forgiveness and forgiving other people without feeling shy or mad at each other. Second, responsible. Their son confessed all the wrongdoing he had done accidentally all this time, and he mentioned it one by one of his mistakes. The narrator told us that no matter how big or many our mistakes, always take responsibility of what we have done bravely. And lastly, strengthen relationship. A family gather for an open house, visit and seek forgiveness from each other. The narrator shows that during Hari Raya, all family and relatives will gather in one place celebrating Hari Raya, and through this celebration, we can get to know other relatives closer and strengthen the relationship between relatives that usually rarely meet. In your opinion, has the video been effective in presenting the value of the company? Why or why not? In our opinion, the video is effective in presenting the value of the company. The storyline itself shows that the company is about and how it works. We can see how it goes through the plot of the story. At the end of the video, it shows that there is no unforgivable apology. From the video, we can see what the advertisement is and what the company is about. We know that TNB provides us with electrical facilities for our better life. Besides, the advertisement is also giving us a value about forgiveness and family love between father and son. Furthermore, TNB also shows how their company connects people by electrical facility. With the existence of electricity, TNB could change people's heart and could enlighten them. The video shows that the son seek forgiveness from his dad during Eid Mubarak celebration. TNB shows how their company works in the video. TNB show how easy it is for people to use their service, and thus Eid Mubarak looked more lively with the availability of electricity, which facilitates all activities including apologizing to each other, and also it can strengthen the relationship between family and relative. The changing lifestyle of the community in the use of smart technology products makes Tenaga Nasional Berhad always look forward to providing the best quality of electricity to its user. TNB, which is now classified as a world-class support service, has about 9.2 million users, including Sabah and Labuan. In effort to move in that direction as well, factors such as affordable electricity tariff remains a priority so that consumers do not feel burdened. For example, the use of smart meters that are seen can help users to manage electricity consumption at home and so on more efficiently, especially during celebrating the Eid Mubarak. Usually, people spend big budget during Hari Raya. Therefore, TNB also send a usage statement so that consumers know how to use their electricity at home and manage their financial situation during Eid Mubarak. TNB focus its attention on positively impacting the experiences that its customers have when interacting with the company. The firm does this by customizing its services to agree with the general needs of its client base. For example, as an operator in Tenaga Nasional Berhad, they will apologize to the customer first if the damage fails to be repaired within the promised time. They have been trained to calm themselves and their customer. They also will apologize to consumer affected by the power outage, and they work hard to restore electricity supply as soon as the damage occur. Thus, TNB presented a video about seeks apologizing, forgiveness, and also responsibility which related to the company's value. That's all from me. Thank you.
Finally, we believe this video is an effective one. This is because the motive of the video is to encourage Muslims to speak honest when it comes to forgiveness with their relative, sibling, and parent. Besides that, the video also speaks that Hari Raya will reunite and strengthen the relationship between each other with a visit to their relative, family, friends, to dig into the traditional delicious food such as ketupat, lemang, and many other traditional foods.
To conclude, I believe from the past two videos, the target audience got his own listen. Although the video is short, the teaching is quite consistent and meaningful. Repetition of Dane, mistake, and honesty made by Dane make this video easier to understand. No matter how great the offense, we as responsible people must have the courage to admit and be willing to accept any action from the person we have wronged, whether forgiven or otherwise. At the end of this video, it shows there is no unforgivable apologies. And last, the acts also give us value about forgiveness and family love between son and father. It's all from our corporate video. Thank you.